Biodiversity. The term biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth at all its levels, from genes to ecosystems, and can encompass the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural processes that sustain life. Biodiversity includes not only species we consider rare, threatened, or endangered, but also every living thing, from humans to organisms we know little about. Over the last century, humans have come to dominate the planet, causing rapid ecosystem change and massive loss of biodiversity across the planet. Unsustainable resource use, pollution, are some major direct threats to biodiversity. In the municipality of Maramag, Valencia, and Cabanglasan, there were a variety of species that can still be found. Sa bayan ng Maramag, San Francisco is a shrub or small tree that is widely grown as an ornamental garden or plant. This plant is a species of plant in genus Cudeum, which is a member of the family Euphorbiaceae, one of the largest family of flowering plant, belonging to the kingdom Plantae and domain Eucaryota. San Francisco exists across the globe with different leaf sizes, shapes, color, and patterns. This plant also grown as a house plant in cooler temperature. These lovely doves, usually used in many settings as a symbol of love, peace, or as messenger. They have short legs and walk as if their feet are tender, which causes their heads to back and forth. These birds are a member of the family Columbidae, belonging to the kingdom Animalia, phylum of Chordata, and the genus called Zenaida. They are strong flyers with large wings and strong muscles. In the city of Valencia, flora has brought life to our world, not just beauty. They are pleasing to the eye and can provide mental peace. One of them is Portulaca grandiflora. It is a succulent flowering plant belonging to the kingdom Plantae and belonging to the family Portulaceae. Portulaca is its genus that belongs to the Caryophyllaceae order. They can grow in the sun or the shade that can reach a height of 9 inches and a width of 12 inches. Dogs are man's best friends, they say. I can't agree to that statement. Who can't be friends with these lovely creatures? Ash is the stunning black dog and Snowbell is the snow white dog. They are both Japanese Spitz, Canis lupus familiaris. They are members of the Animalia kingdom and their domain is Eukaryote. Chordate is the phylum of this mammal class. They are carnivores belonging to the Canidae family, with the genus Canis as their names imply. In the municipality of Cabanglasan, wildflower is one of the goddesses of plants, flowers, and fertility in Roman mythology. It is any flowering plant that has not been genetically manipulated. This term applies to plants growing without intentional human aid, particularly these flowering in spring and in summer in woodlands, prairies, and mountains. Its specific name is Helianthus annus. Cats may be friendly, curious and active, or lazy and uninterested in exploring new things. Cat is belongs to mammal group which have a backbone, ribs. They are a member of Animalia kingdom and their domain is Eukarya. Cats are belong in the family called Felidae with genus Felis and its specific names are Felis catus. The Mayana plant has its scientific name Cousis blumei Benth. It is an antimicrobial properties. In scientific study revealed that mayana has compounds that act fights against bacteria. The extract from crushed mayana leaves can be used to disinfect wounds and cuts. Carpenter bee has its scientific name called Xylocopa. Like other native bees, carpenter bees are important pollinators in native plant communities, gardens, and in some crops. In order to conserve and preserve biodiversity, we must pursue education, educating young generations to show how important biodiversity is and how it impacts humans' daily living. We must also support local projects concerning towards environmental awareness, provide habitat for wildlife, and help keep deforestation in check. The lifestyle choices of individuals and communities can have a large effect on their impacts on biodiversity and the environment. While we might not be able to prevent all negative human impacts on biodiversity, with knowledge, we can work to change the direction and shape of our effects on the rest of life on Earth.